This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for June 9th, 2017. SPY, again, nothing too interesting, although volatility was a little bit larger than normal. But the main highlight today were the Qs. The Qs had a massive sell-off. This huge candle right here, we haven't seen a sell-off like this since the August 2015 crash. Maybe you could also say the one in February 2016. So this was a huge sell-off candle, very large volume. I would expect this to be a little too extreme, so we could probably expect at least a small bounce from here, maybe a consolidation, or maybe it just rockets up again. The QQQs have been very resilient. Whenever there's a sell-off, it generally just goes up within just a few days. In my own personal account, I sold a put spread. For those who don't know what put spreads are, basically it's a slightly bullish bet. So I'm expecting it to go up over the coming weeks. So the QUs, the main sell-off was actually from the FAANG stocks. So the FAANG stocks are 5 stocks. The first one is Facebook. Facebook sold off pretty bad. In my own personal account, I had bought in about 2 weeks ago on this green candle. It looked like it was doing pretty well, and then today I stopped that at a small loss on this big candle here. So we're just going to wait and watch and see what happens for Facebook. Another one was AMZN, Amazon. Amazon had a huge sell-off as well, although it's bounced back pretty good since. Then there was Apple. We had gotten into Apple a few days earlier on this green candle here. It looked like another bull flag breakout just like a month or two ago in April. Today, however, is a huge sell-off candle. Again, we haven't seen a candle like that in probably 3 or 4 years for Apple. It's a very large sell-off. Members, of course, would have been advised to stop out pretty quick. So you would have taken a 1.9% loss if you used our suggested stops. Then there was also Netflix. Again, a relatively large sell-off. It seems to have retested the support here and possibly bouncing back. And then the last one is Google. Google, again, a very large sell-off candle. Just like the other FAANG stocks, whenever there's a very large sell-off, usually it recovers pretty quick, just within a few days, and goes up. So we're going to just watch it, see if there's strength, and if any of the FAANG stocks start showing strength, we'll probably start going long on some of them. We also got into one long trade today, IBB, which is biotech. I had mentioned this in a video yesterday. So we had gotten in early-ish today, long on expectation of a breakout of this trend line, and it looked like it was breaking out. Around midday, it was doing pretty well since it's retraced. So you could get in now or in the next few days, or you could just wait until this breakout is confirmed. Up to you. And if you want to take a more risky trade, there's LABU, which is the leveraged biotech. It's leveraged for XBI, actually. So you could expect much larger gains with LABU, but if it doesn't work out, you'll take a larger loss. So just use a smaller position size with LABU. This is definitely very good for those who have very small accounts. You could use less capital and still get the same amount of gains. So that concludes the trade report for June 9th, 2017.